Welcome back. We're going to continue on with the rest of database administration lesson, going over the backup command, the drop command, and the restore command for databases. We're going to first start off with doing the command for backing up a database. So first we start out with a comment. And to do this, we're first going to type out backup database, name the database, which I believe was customer check to be company database. There we go. So we're backing up the database from, we're going to back this up on a USB drive. So we're going to type out on disk and then equal sign. And for me, my USB stick is an E drive. So I'm going to take out the path for that E drive. And the name, I'm going to call it backup company database.pk. And then I think we'll format this as well. And then after the lid, the data. So just looks nice to me. I'm going to put with on the second line. Looks a little bit. Go. Okay, so as you can see, my USB stick E drive is there. We're going to run this command. Let me make sure it looks right. I think this is not from, this is to. There we go. Okay. I'm going to highlight this. Make sure I change this to the right database, which should be company database. And then select execute. And it should say that it's processed. So let's look at that E drive. My refresh. And there it is. There's my backup file. That's what .bh. Initially refers to. That's the extension. Now from here, we're going to drop this database. And the command is fairly easy. You just type in drop database. And name company database. And actually, we gotta point this to the master. So we're going to use master up on the top. That'll switch it to the master. And type in go, that, and then it'll be drop down. So now that, execute it. Should say command completed. So now when we select databases, you should see it listing now gone. But to recover it, recovery database. We're going to go back to use master, go, and then restore. Database. Go, restore database. Now this equals the colon backslash company. Highlight that, execute it. Oh, correct syntax. Okay, sorry, may have been a typo error on my part. There we go. So in this case, I corrected it where use master, go, restore database, type in the database name, in our case, it's company name from disk, and we're restoring it from the company database.doc file that I saved in the E drive from earlier. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this, and let's see if we see it there. And there it is, company database, go to tables, and there it is, the customer table. It has the same columns as before. There we go. And that's how we restore our database. Now, what we're going to go ahead and do is create a new user so that it can utilize the SQL Server session for our particular database. So, to do this, I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. We're going to go to Security tab over in Object Explorer. And there's an option for login. You're going to right click New Login. And here, we're going to make sure this is a SQL Server authentication. We're going to type in CD for company database. And then we're going to give them a password of Mike 1 CD 1 2. We're enforcing password policies, password expiration, and they have to change their password on the next login. For our server roles, we're going to give them sysadmin rights. And then we're also going to give them access to we're going to give them access to the company database. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and select script, and this will give us the script that you would use if you were creating a script. I'm just going to hit OK. That should create the user. So then when we select refresh Object Explorer, we can go to Security and go to Logins. We should now see Mike. Okay. We're going to test that login. So we're going to select the down arrow on Connect and select Database Engine. And I believe we created a SQL Server authentication, and the username was Steve Mike, and the password was Steve Mike 123. You get a prompt to reset this password. Connect. Okay. There we go. Sorry, must have selected the wrong server earlier. So the new password is going to be Stevie Mike 321. Stevie Mike 321. Okay. And there we go. What you'll see now is Mike will have their own server connection here, and under database, they should be able to have access to the company database. Like you can see, which is the information earlier to that database. And that's essentially how you give privileges to a new customer for the customer table. Let's do it one more time. We're going to create a user called mcantor. Just so we can read this. Back here on our original database server, we're going to right click on security, select new, and login. We're going to type in mcantor. We're giving them SQL Server, and then password is password 123. Password 123. Server password. We're going to give them access to the company database under the app, and then hit OK. And that should complete that setup there. See here, mcantor. And then we're going to test out their connection. Here, make sure SQL Server authentication and mcantor. And then this password is 123. And connect. And there we go. We're connected. We're able to change the password. mcantor 123. mcantor. Click connect. There we go. Now mcantor has their own access to the data. And you can see here mcantor. And that concludes our video. That's how you back up a database, drop a database, restore it, and set up a user through a SQL Server session. Have a good day.